So, Justin, you were saying that some WP scan was not working.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, what error is it giving?
Showing. Let me share for you.
Are you using the latest Kali version?
Uh, I install it, but the problem of that one is no network. The latest one.
Can you share your screen with me?
Sure. You want to see the latest version or the?
See, wherever you are facing the trouble, that's what I want to see, right?
Yes. Okay. Share. Share. This is the latest version,
Of Kali
but
Linux.
no internet connection.
This is not the latest version, I think. Is it 2020.3? No, this is
Yeah, yeah.
not the latest.
2020.
Hmm?
This is the not latest
This is 2021, I believe.
one. Yeah, I think yes, that's right. But I updated all the things. Can I need to update or I need to reinstall it?
You need to download the 2020.3. Okay.
सर वो
23.
तो कमांड लाइन से भी हो सकता है ना, अगर फुल अपग्रेड मार देंगे तो हो जाएगा वो
It is
2020 पे।
possible, but we are
हाँ
not going to go that way. Okay.
Update is because the problem is no internet, no network connection.
Do a sudo. It says permission denied. Internet is not the issue, I believe.
Temporary failure. So yeah. See, finish.
Can you do ifconfig?
Not working.
Sudo ifconfig.
Yeah, working. Connected.
10.152.152.100. And what kind of network adapter you have connected to?
I connected by Wi-Fi connect.
No, no. I'm talking about the VirtualBox network adapter settings.
It's bridge.
Bridged.
Yeah.
Just show it to me once.
Bridge.
Okay. Uh, show me this drop down of name. Yeah. Okay.
Wi-Fi wireless.
See, the IP address is being assigned to you. That is Dell Wireless. Okay. Click on OK. Now reboot your Kali.
Open. Restart.
Yeah, restart your Kali.
सर मे बी ये 2020.2 या 3 ही है, क्योंकि ऐसे लाइक स्टार्टिंग स्क्रीन बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम वैसे ही है। डाउट है थोड़ा।
Now do a sudo ifconfig. Ten 152.152.108. Okay, try to open your browser and search something. Go back to your terminal and just type ping google.com. Open a new tab. Ping 8.8.8. Enter. Okay, just close this thing. Shut down your Kali. Change your network adapter to NAT and give it a try. Okay, so basically, I believe there is some issue with your DNS server. Convert to NAT. NAT. NAT.
Select what? Select. It's not okay. And
You
invalid.
have selected NAT. You have selected NAT network.
Nothing here. Name.
Select only NAT.
Okay, sorry.
Click on OK. Just boot your machine now. See, maybe there are certain configuration settings that you have changed with respect to your Kali. Okay, you have modified something due to which the name resolution is not happening. Try to visit Google, see if it's opening. It's opening now.
In Google.
Okay.
Yes, it's working now.
It's working, right?
Thank you. Yeah.
Nice. So now your WP scan is also going to work.
Yeah, it's working here. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
WP scan followed by certain argument.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. So now you can stop sharing me your screen. I'll share. Okay, guys. So any doubt so far from our any previous session? Do you guys have any doubt?
No, sir.
All good.
Yes.
Okay. So for today's session, what I have planned is I'm going to take a very easy machine. It's like a cakewalk. Okay. And I would like you guys to volunteer to solve it in front of everyone. Okay. I'll
Okay,
be
sir.
guiding you out here and there. Okay.
Okay.
So who is going to take the initiative?
Justin.
Justin?
Ayush.
Nah, Justin. Let's go for the new one. On Jisha. Just because हम तो active रहते हैं, sir वो active नहीं रहती ना.
Acha.
Let's go for her.
So I do not want you guys to name someone else. I want you guys to name yourself. Okay. Whosoever is voluntarily wants to do it, or else I'll pick up one.
Okay.
You choose one, sir.
No one
It's
is going
better.
to speak. No one is going to speak now, huh?
नहीं, हम स्कूल वाले बच्चे हैं, हम नहीं बोलेंगे.
Okay. So, Lakshya, you there?
अच्छा फंस गया
कोई नहीं फंसा है, ठीक है. इसमें कोई
सर
Yes, I'm there.
मैं लैपटॉप से ऑनलाइन आ रहा हूँ एक सेकंड बस
So, yeah, Lakshya. So, आपके
Yeah, I
पास.
missed out on the previous one, so
Mhm.
I went out of station. No? That's why I missed Friday class as well.
So on Friday we did not do anything new. We just talked about the Mr. Robot machine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So don't worry. Okay. Just I hope you have the Hack the Box subscription, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So I'll stop my screen share here, and you can share your screen. And what we are going to do is I'm going to provide the instructions, and you are going to follow along with your terminal and all that stuff. Okay. Good enough.
Yes.
Okay, so rest of you guys can mute your mics. Okay. So let's start. You can share your screen now. Lakshya, you are sharing your screen, right?
Yeah, you should pick someone else. Yeah.
Do not worry, okay? I'm not taking a test of you. I'm just going to instruct you. I'm going to verbally give you the commands and you will type it. That's all, nothing else. Don't worry. Okay?
मैं कर देता हूँ अगर इसको प्रॉब्लम है तो
चलो ठीक है, ऐसा कर लो. तो आयुष, आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो.
एक सेकंड सर हाँ मेरे को सर मैं कूलर बंद कर लूँ वरना बहुत नॉइज आएगी फिर यस गोइंग टू शेयर अब तो इंटरनेट भी फास्ट हो गया जाएंगे Let's start. दिख रही है सर स्क्रीन
Yeah. So let's set up our VPN connection first of all.
कर दिया पहले
कर दिया.
हाँ ये रहा
Okay, cool. So let's get back here. And the machine that we are going to do is, let's take Jerry. Okay, just do a control F and search for Jerry.
मिल गया
Yeah. Okay. So
स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ
you have started the machine.
हो रही है
Okay, let it start and do a reset as well.
ठीक will be resetted in 1 minute
Okay, so we are able to ping this machine as well. Okay. So let's create a new directory over here named Jerry.
okay
Do mkdir space Jerry.
Jerry.
Let's create a new directory named nmap.
okay
MK.
Yeah, Justin, you are saying something?
No, sir. I say the command only.
okay ठीक है ये कर
You are saying the command.
No, I just say the spelling only.
Okay. So let's perform a very basic Nmap scan against this IP address. Let's do Nmap space target IP address followed by saving the output.
Okay.
So
Pim
add a hyphen capital PN as well.
80 पे ओपन पोर्ट दिखा रहा है.
It's showing us 8080
Yep.
as open. Okay. Just wait for a while. Let's wait for the scan to finish. Go back to the scan and it's still working. Open a new tab and start writing the command nmap
And now
space hyphen p.
FNP
Mention the port number.
80.
Port number 80 was open.
Yep. 8080.
So mention the 8080, right? Why are you mentioning 80 then?
8080 यानी 80 नहीं हुआ क्या? मेरे को लगा 8080 means HTTP only.
So you are saying 8080 and 80 are same?
Yep.
No, they are not same. They are two different ports.
Okay.
Okay. If you are going to scan port 80, port number 8080 is not going to be scanned. And if you are going to scan port 8080, 80 is not going to be scanned. They're two different ports.
Okay.
Okay, let's get back to that Nmap
First
scan. So as of
HTTP
now, we
proxy.
have only found the single port open. That's 8080.
No.
Okay.
तो अभी कोई है प्रोग्रेस में.
So let's run a version detection scan and OS detection scan here. Hyphen small s capital CV
CV.
Script was plus scan version scan.
hyphen small o
Small o.
capital A.
यार एक सेकंड, हमने अब ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम भी पता करना है क्या? तो मैंने ओ डाल रखा था.
Yes, that's what I said, right? OS detection scan भी हमें run करना है.
अच्छा. For
And save the output in a file.
okay, got it. Still in progress.
As of now, we only know one thing, that port 8080 is open.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's all. So we are waiting for our version detection and OS detection scan, so that before approaching the target, let's at least know that, okay, what kind of operating system are we trying to approach.
Tomcat, Apache Tomcat.
Okay, so from here, what we can understand is that the target is running an Apache Tomcat server. That's one thing. Another fact is about the operating system. So what is the operating system?
Microsoft Windows Server, or you can say 2012.
So we do not know if it is 2012 or not.
I guess.
We just know that, okay, it's Windows based distro. That's all we know as of now. Okay. So, okay. Let's go to our browser and try to connect to port number 8080 colon
Colon डालना अच्छा.
8080.
डिफॉल्ट पेज है वो अपाचे टॉमकैट का.
and Apache version is also is also being revealed here. That is Apache Tomcat 7088. Okay. So what we need to do here is we are just going to explore this website a little. Okay.
बड़ा है इसका तो कुछ नहीं है
Yeah, so we are not going to find something meaningful right away after clicking one link. Okay. When you are approaching an application for the first time, you need to open everything that is there. Okay. You need to explore the functionality of the application, like what happens when I click here, what happens when I click here. Okay. A lot of failed attempts, a lot of meaningless attempts are going to be done.
एग्जांपल्स दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे
Okay. So we are not going to go outside the target website. This is our outside the scope.
outside
Let's
scope.
go back. While clicking something, you can just look into the bottom left corner, like where are you going to be redirected.
No. It's tomcat.apache list.html.
This is not useful for us.
Yeah.
We have left the target website.
It's box security how to.
Server status. Great. And here we are being asked for some credentials. Okay. So what we can do is we can simply try to log in with some default credentials here, like admin password.
खुल गया. Nice.
So you tried using admin.
Yep. Admin.
Okay, so we used default credentials, and from here we are able to gain access to this server status tab. Okay. Now, what kind of sensitive information is being revealed here? Let's go through the output and tell me. Everyone.
OS
Windows
name.
Server architecture.
Right.
Windows Server 2012 R2.
So one thing is assured from this point that okay, we are trying to target the
Windows machine.
Windows Server 2012. Now we know the exact version as well. Earlier we were not aware of it. It's a server. If it is Windows 7, Windows 2008, 2012 server, what it is exactly. But now we know what it is exactly. Okay, OS architecture is also here. Host name is Jerry. Okay, great.
वापस जाना है फ्रंट पेज पे.
Yeah, just go back one step. From here you can open the
Manager. Host manager.
this is also asking for the password.
Yeah. Access denied for admin.
Access denied for admin.
Yeah. अब तो खुल ही नहीं रहा है.
So there is something important being shown here. Let's go through the look. Just take a look into the output.
Username and
password.
Okay.
Username and password. Yeah.
So it's like these are certain example username and passwords you can say, or something like default username or password for Tomcat. Okay. Not only this, we could have also done a Google search, searching for the Tomcat server default credentials, something like that. Okay. So credentials suggestion, we do not know if they are going to work or not, right? We just know that okay, apart from trying admin, we can also try Tomcat and secret. Just highlight it for once. so that everyone can have a look. Right? Can you increase the font size here?
वो कैसे करते हैं सर, मेरे को एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है विंडोज मशीन पे।
Do a control plus plus.
ट्राई कर सकता हूँ तो इससे शायद होता है। ओके
Yeah, fine. Okay, for example, to add the admin GUI role to a username named Tomcat with a password of secret, add the following config line listed above. Okay, great. Let's go back. Repeatedly, whenever you are trying to log in anywhere in this application, it is going to give you that 403 error.
यस मैंने होस्ट मैनेजर खोला था, मैनेजर ऐप खोलना है,
Give it a try.
वही खुल रहा है 403।
Right, so you can open anything. So basically, what has happened here is it has taken your wrong credentials and saved it in the memory. So there are two ways out. One way is to open the incognito tab, and another way is to delete your cache.
इनकॉग्निटो खोल लेते हैं।
So what is happening here?
खुल नहीं रही है,
Why is it not opening?
पता नहीं क्या।
Think of it. No, it is still alive and up and running.
सर क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से इनकॉग्निटो पे शायद ओपन ही नहीं होती होगी कोई भी, ऐसा कुछ सीन रहता है कि हैक डेवॉप्स ओपन करने नहीं देता होगा इनकॉग्निटो पे।
No, this is not the case here.
नहीं पता सर मेरे को एग्जैक्टली।
You have not entered the port number here.
ओके
That
मेरी
is the issue.
सॉरी। या ओके
Now you can try entering some credentials in the manager app or host manager app.
एडमिन पासवर्ड लास्ट टाइम एडमिन
Definitely you can give it a try.
गलत है।
Or Tomcat secret.
या टॉम कैट तो वो क्या था एग्जैक्टली पासवर्ड मेरे को भी याद नहीं है। S3 ओके गलती हो रही है कुछ। कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं हो सकता था डायरेक्टली। या खुल गया।
So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the application manager interface. Okay. So okay, you can just try to explore this stuff here. See if you are able to understand anything.
सर ये क्या मतलब है कि सब में 0 0 दिखा रहा है सेशंस एंड इसमें 1 दिखा रहा है.
मैनेजर ऐप पे क्लिक करा शायद इस वजह से.
Yeah, because we are because this directory is currently being open. A session has been made. There's an active session here.
Okay.
So let's do a normal Google search. Let's go to Google and search for
एक सेकंड सर, हो नहीं रहा, क्या दिक्कत है? हाँ,
Tomcat authenticated exploit. We have something from Rapid7. So that means this is going to be a Metasploit module.
या
We have an RC over here, upload code execution, authenticated upload. So it is basically telling me that okay, there is some sort of file upload vulnerability here, and we are able to execute our code here. Okay.
मैनेजर अगेंस्ट मैनेजर HTML. Let you see.
And I believe we are already in this path.
Yeah, we are all.
Then just go back quickly to the tab and you can check out the URL.
One sec.
Okay, let's go back to Google search. What are you doing? This is not required. Okay, that's one thing. Let's try to search for something else, something more about the Tomcat authenticated exploitation. Tomcat
Authentication.
authenticated
Authenticated.
exploit.
Yeah.
Let's open the, not this one. This is again the Rapid7 link.
Okay.
The third one or the fourth one.
और तो ये वाली खोलने एक्सप्लॉइट DB.
So again, it's a Metasploit module only. You can see
Yeah.
its title.
Yeah.
Application upload, authenticated code execution, Metasploits. Okay.
ये
What
null
do we
byte.
have here? In this article, it says hack Apache Tomcat via malicious WAR file upload. Okay, do you guys know what is WAR file?
No sir.
So it's just like your normal zip files. Okay. Basically, it stands for Web Application Archives, and it is the zip file for the executable Java codes. Okay, JSPs or Java commandlets or servlets. So what is it saying here? It's saying web application of Apache Tomcat is an open source implementation of several Java technologies. Okay. Tomcat uses var files to deploy web apps via servlets. These files are similar to jar files, but contain everything the web app needs, such as JS, CSS, blah blah blah. Okay, just scroll it a little.
बता रखा है कैसे करना.
Yeah, go ahead. So here I can see that again it is using
MS.
Metasploit framework for the exploitation. Okay.
Yes.
So we are not going to use the Metasploit framework. From here, we just got to know that okay, there is some sort of var file which needs to be uploaded. Var files are being supported by the Tomcat server, right?
Yeah.
So now what we are going to do is we are going to search for some upload functionality in the Tomcat server.
Okay.
Okay. Go back to a Tomcat server.
Tomcat server.
Yeah. and here see if you are able to find anything uh, related to upload, something like that.
There is a path, a
Yeah.
current path required.
Yeah.
Var directory.
Okay, it says var file to deploy, select var file to upload, choose file and deploy. So basically here we are being provided with an option to choose, select and upload a var file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, great, but do you have any malicious var file?
नहीं डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी.
Download करनी पड़ेगी.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create our own var file here, which is going to be malicious. And what kind of var file do we want to create?
और जिसे
Windows Server 2012.
Okay, yeah, that is right.
रिवर्स शेल वाली जिसके
Right, reverse shell based var file. Okay,
ओके.
malicious in our sense is nothing but reverse shell. Okay,
Oh.
that is malicious to someone else. For us, it is just a reverse shell. We are just going to create a malicious payload over here using MSF Venom. So let's go to MSF Venom and type MSF Venom -L space payloads. Let's get a list of payloads. A lot of payload options are available now. What we are going to select is we are going to select Java based payload here.
Java based.
What you can do is just type MSF Venom -L payloads space pipe, no, a pipe symbol.
Pipe symbol. Okay. That what? This one.
Yeah, single pipe, not double pipe.
Okay.
Type grep space Java. Press enter.
Yeah. But sir Java के ही क्यों मतलब?
Because we read on the article, okay,
Yeah.
that
Yes,
vars are nothing but your Java based zip archives.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, we can use this one. We can use a payload from here, but along with that, we want to list the formats as well. To just do MSF Venom space -L formats. Formats. We want to see if var format is supported or not, if it is available or not in MSF Venom. Just press enter and see if var is available or not.
Yeah. Available.
It is available, right? Okay, great. So let's start making our malicious var file here. Let's do MSF Venom space -P
MS Venom -P.
followed by your payload name. So you need to scroll up for that and just select your Java shell reverse TCP.
Shall reverse TCP. This one.
The last one. Paste it. What else do we need to provide here?
Port lhost.
L host and L port.
Right, so mention the lhost L port as well.
Okay. उसके लिए इक्वल टू डालना है ना सर इसमें?
Yeah, without space.
Okay. L port. L port should be random
Yeah, you can do.
by
It should
default.
not be random. Okay, it
Uh,
could be random. Okay, so we
default
can.
हो सकता है.
hyphen
What are
F,
you saying, Ayush?
हाँ.
hyphen F,
Uh,
hyphen F,
uh,
Hyphen F war
or
space hyphen O for
location.
saving the output in.
हम nmap के इसमें स्टोर कर रहे हैं ये चीज.
Just do. Uh, you can save the output in the Jerry directory as well. Just mention the path of Jerry directory. Wherever you want to save the output, just give the path of that directory here.
Okay, इसी में सेव कर लेते हैं nmap में. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. Just provide a name. Let's do as
Very
shell.
well. Okay, shell.
Shell. That's all.
Okay, बस इतना.
Or we can do shell.war as well. That is also going to work. Shell.war. Press enter.
Yeah, just created. Here.
So we have our shell over here. So before doing anything else, let's start up our listener over here. Okay, let's set up a listener over here. Let's do
Okay.
sudo nc
nc
space hyphen nvlp
Port number.
4444. Press enter. So basically what we are doing here is now we have successfully started the listener and it is now listening for the port number 4444.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now go back to our browser and upload this war shell.
Choose file. Was saved in desktop.
Desktop.
Interesting. Computers.
Jerry.
Nmap. Yeah.
Enter.
Uh,
Deploy.
deploy.
Now yes, you can click on deploy.
Deployed.
See if you get a shell back. Did you got a shell back? Nope, not yet. Right?
Yeah.
Because the file is only uploaded as of now, but it is not executed.
Okay.
So any doubt so far, guys? Anything that is not clear?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Doubt, no doubt.
All good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, great. So now let's get back to the browser and let's try to execute this file. See if you're able to find somewhere your shell file.
मेरे को मेन पेज पे जाना पड़ेगा ना उसके
The
लिए?
last one.
ये है ना?
The last one, yeah.
Okay, you can just click on it. It got executed.
Yeah.
Check your shell back,
Yeah.
and you got a shell back. Right?
Yeah.
So we have successfully gained the access. We have successfully exploited the machine. Let's check our permissions here. Okay. So let's do who am I?
NT
And
authority.
I am NT authority system.
Yeah.
Easy peasy stuff.
Yes. Very easy.
So see, that's what I was telling you guys, that it's going to be a cakewalk. The whole motive here was to, what was the motive here? That someone out of you should do this thing. Okay.
Okay. फिर सर अभी फ्लैग्स पे तो लेना है ना इस पे?
Yeah. So just explore inside here and try to grab the flag.
back.
बैक
Go
कैसे
back.
जाते हैं सर इसमें?
CD.
Check the running.txt.
क्या?
Running.txt.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, मतलब आवाज थोड़ी कट रही है।
Running.txt.
running.txt.
या आई गॉट
Yeah.
इट, आई गॉट इट। मेरे को देखने तो कहाँ पर है? चलता ही नहीं।
It's Windows.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा, कोई एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है प्लीज? मैं अभी फिलहाल टेम्प डायरेक्टरी में हूँ, मेरे को वापस जाना है।
You are not in temp directory.
नहीं हूँ?
cd space dot dot.
CD dot dot.
या
Yeah. Now I check DIR. Yes.
यूजर सर,
User. Yes.
भूल
CD.
गया था।
भूल गया?
यूजर्स, हाँ भाई थोड़ा भूल गया था, हो जाता है ना कभी कभार, ठीक है।
बुड्ढा हो गया.
कुछ गलत डाला क्या मैंने?
CD file not found. This is directory administrator. Right.
पब्लिक, ये क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है भाई?
इधर एंटर नहीं हो रहा. यूजर में नहीं है. एंटर नहीं हो रहा. चेक यूजर्स.
मैं यूजर्स में ही था, जस्ट ही जस्ट सेंट मी बैक टू द।
तुम
CD
users
dot
में
dot.
नहीं थे.
Yes. DIR.
Okay.
DIR.
मैं भूल गया ये कमांड डी विंडोज की। सी डी
Dot
Yeah.
dot.
डॉट डॉट की एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर चेक करना है ना?
नहीं
Go
नहीं.
to public first of all.
पब्लिक.
ओके पब्लिक यू बी
ठीक है फिर.
6 या डी आई आर। we just have documents, downloads, music, picture
डॉक्यूमेंट
videos,
डॉक्यूमेंट.
documents, nothing.
नथिंग. किधर गया किधर गया किधर गया.
dir downloads।
Is there any download directory here?
No.
Then
So why
CD.
you are
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ मैं वापस इसने मेरे को भेज दिया ना स्टार्टिंग में, ठीक है, गॉट इट।
Administrator. Only option administrator.
I visited administrator।
Administrator. Yeah, DIR. Nothing. There
अब
is
खोला
desktop. CD.
डेस्कटॉप,
Yes.
फ्लैग्स, dir
Type.
नहीं नहीं, इट्स अ
Oh,
डायरेक्टरी।
सही है.
फ्लैग्स इज अ डायरेक्टरी। ओके इट द
Yes. 2 for the price of. Hmm? I think remove the space.
अगर ये क्या था सिस्टम, ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आया इसकी फाइल।
Space remove करके type.
ठीक है,
To remove space.
मेरे को स्टार लिखना पड़ेगा।
Type करो type.
हाँ, 2 for the price of 1.txt। no,
Nothing. 2 for Two.
The price of one. ये कोई मिस्ट्री है क्या? इन्होंने मिस्ट्री डाल रखी है क्या? सॉल्व करने के लिए बाद मिलेगा फ्लैग.
There is no mystery. There is one thing that you guys are missing. You're not in the right directory as of now.
Oh, okay. Go back. Go back. Okay. Check.
डेस्कटॉप चेक किया था ना? डॉक्यूमेंट्स चेक करे क्या?
You have the flag in front of you. You just need to read it. You just need to apply your brain to read it. That's all. No need to go here and there. It is there in the desktop only.
डेस्कटॉप पे ही है हमारे पास.
Okay. Go desktop. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Flag bytes 05. Flag. I think view all. Some is hidden. Some two
Yeah.
directories hidden. So you need to view all the directories. I think dir. And how can we see?
वो कैसे लिस्ट होगा जिसके सामने बाइट्स लिखे आते हैं? 3 डायरेक्टरीज तो 1 2 3 ये भी
Yeah,
लिखा
2
था.
is hidden. You see.
2 इज नहीं, एक ये हो गई, ये वाली हो गई, अन्य की हो गई. 3 डायरेक्टरी भी है. यहाँ फ्लैग क्या है? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Flag. You need to watch.
मैं सीडी फ्लैग्स भी खोल देता हूँ, कंपेयर कर लेंगे. ये डेस्कटॉप का है.
Okay, you write. Okay, open. Type 1.txt. Type 1. Space 1.txt.
No, ये भी कर देते हैं. No.
No, you just write for the price of 1 txt. Remove that t. 2.
For the price, okay.
Just try.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
No.
Nothing.
What's the problem?
Delete the 4.
Delete the.
4.
Okay. Let's go this way. No.
Oh.
सर कह रहे फ्लैग हमारे सामने लेकिन दिख नहीं रहा है. ये है क्या फ्लैग? मेरे को तो
Flag is in front of you.
ये फ्लैग है क्या? ये बाइट्स, इतने सारे बाइट्स कैसे आ गए? वो सोच रहा हूँ. फ्लैग्स में 2 डायरेक्टरीज है, 1 फाइल है, लेकिन फाइल को हम एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, go to cd. Here is not right. dir.
बैग जाना पड़ेगा ना?
Desktop जाओ. Desktop.
ठीक. या
Okay. Why it's free? Free. You just write free. cd. Sorry, dir. Free.
no.
That's not directory.
Yeah, that's not a directory. इसमें जा सकते हैं
Hmm.
क्या हम इन डायरेक्टरीज में? कैन वी एंटर दिस डायरेक्टरी आल्सो?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, that is the folder. That is the directory. I think. So you need to open the hidden folder.
मेरे को तो ये दिखा रहा है.
No, that's not a directory, I think. Hmm.
कुछ तो चीज हिडन है.
Nothing is hidden.
Hidden.
Nothing is hidden.
Nothing is hidden. Oh.
Everything is in front of you. Nothing is hidden.
ये नंबर का कुछ झोल है क्या?
There is no number ka jhol. Nothing like that.
CD name. I think we are not right directory. I think.
सर कह रहे डेस्कटॉप पे कुछ है. डेस्कटॉप पे कहाँ है?
You need to view all not hidden. So see flag inside the flag. That text file is the.
या
But you need to open that one.
ये कुछ नहीं है. इसका कुछ लग रहा है मेरे को. ये कुछ तो कुछ रिलेटेड है.
You know the flag inside the desktop. So this text file is the file.
And this is the flag.
This is the,
अब ये अच्छा यही क्या?
ये खोलना पड़ेगा.
इसको खोलना कैसे अब?
That's
Okay.
all.
This
See,
is
this
the
is the
problem.
flag. I have confirmed this thing for you. All you guys need to figure out is how to read this file. That's all. Full stop.
This is
It's a
yeah.
text
That's
file.
this is
Simple
the text.
text file. Nothing complex here. Nothing complicated here.
cat system cat
No,
भी
not
डालना था.
working. Not working chat.
2 for the price of 1. Buy one get one free offer है. 2 for the price of 1.
2 for the price of 1. Yeah, this is the answer. 2 for price. This
ये
is a question, you know.
ये आंसर है. क्वेश्चन ढूंढना है भाई. 2 for the price of 1. 2 for the price of 1. अगर 2 एप्पल 40 रुपए के है तो एक तो
Question नहीं
20
समझ में
होगा.
आया. You guys are not aware of the question as of now, huh? What is the question?
2 for the price of 1
No.
यही है.
Jerry.
Question is how to read a text
हाँ.
file using command prompt. That's all. Full stop. This is the question. You guys are not able to read a file. You guys are not able to read the contents of a file. The file is in front of you. The name is clear. All you need to do is just read it. Read the contents, and the contents are the flag.
तो मिलना भी तो चाहिए. पता तो लगे.
Just do a Google search, guys. Just do a Google search. Go to Google. Google bhaiya, tell me how to read files through command prompt. How to read text file.
Cat.
What does it says? It says text file name. Blah, blah.
You can open a text file by giving the file name. ये क्या सीन है? ये तो हमें पता ही नहीं था. ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. Oh,
Do a CD flags. Just first of all, go into the directory where your flag is.
हाँ वही है सर. अच्छा
You
मैं
are not in that directory. Do a dir.
where I am.
CD flags.
कर रहा हूँ. वो ये देखो.
dir.
dir और इसी में वो है.
Do a type
हाँ
space
डाल दिया.
inverted comma.
ओके अब समझ में आया डबल कोट्स क्यों. ठीक है. ओके गॉट इट. थोड़ी बहुत प्रोग्रामिंग याद होती
Spaces
तो
in the name. Okay, there are spaces in between, and we want it to consider as a single file. If you are not going to put it in inverted commas, it is going to take it as different files. You have the flag in front of you. See,
अच्छा ऐसा ये प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में होता है ना. ये जस्ट टू मेक श्योर.
do not try to overcomplicate it. It is very simple. The simplicity is that you have a file there are spaces in the file name, you want to read it, you want to access it, so you just need to put it in the inverted commas. That's all, nothing else.
हमको तो ये मैं तो 10 ही डालूंगा मेरे हिसाब से, क्लास में दिक्कत दी इसने।
Find
दिक्कत
another one.
दिक्कत तो ये तुम्हें शुरू में भी दे दी थी।
शुरू का तो सर फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया लग जाता, ये लास्ट में इतनी दिक्कत दे दी। अब क्या करना है, नई मशीन?
ठीक है, so this was a very easy machine. Okay, what did you guys learn here?
पहली चीज की वॉर फॉर्मेट भी कुछ होता है।
Really cheese, right? So that was the first finding, that
Yeah.
there is something like war format.
Yeah.
Second finding, that
Sec-
war. Second finding was that this war format is an executable format for Tomcat servers.
Yeah.
Whenever you are trying to approach a Tomcat server, you want to get a reverse shell, so that Tomcat server is going to execute the war format file. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's another thing.
हम्म,
What else did you guys learn?
कि ऐसा भी कोई सिस्टम होता है डबल, हाँ मतलब याद था लेकिन दिमाग से निकल गया कि डबल कोड्स यूज कर सकते थे।
Right.
हाँ
Command use can.
Another thing that you guys learned is how to read files having
With this-
spaces in its name.
yeah.
Okay.
That's another thing. What else did you learn? There's something else that you learned as well.
There's something else.
Something else is using default credentials.
Okay. अच्छा,
There's something more that you have learned.
Java format payloads. How
That's
do
that's covered in the war part.
okay.
Something else that you learned was trying to see the error as well. When you were seeing that 403 error,
Yeah.
if you would have ignored that error, you would not have been able to log into the Tomcat server, right? Tomcat manager.
Yes.
How were we able to find the credentials, the Tomcat secret? We were able to understand it from the 403 error. If you guys remember, 403 access denied. From here we found the credentials.
Yeah.
Okay. So most of the time things are going to be in front of you. Okay. You just need to be vigilant. You just need to observe stuff like what is happening here, what is there in front of me, what am I missing here. Okay. That's one thing. What else did you guys learn? There is one very important stuff.
Very important.
Yes, very important key learning here. So I have listed a bunch of key learnings here.
Yeah.
There's only one left.
हमने क्या सीखा था? Scan किया. And port scan. We learned about the port number 8080.
Okay, that is, I believe, that is point of common sense up till this point.
हाँ.
Because you are not studying CA.
Manager role.
Yeah, manager role, right? Okay. So you guys realize that okay, there is something like /manager in the Tomcat servers. Okay. Now there is one more key finding here. Very important. See, let me give you guys a hint. Did you guys observe that you were not required to do any privilege escalation here?
Yeah.
Why so?
सिर्फ easy machine थी इसलिए.
Privilege escalation नहीं करना था वो, इसलिए easy machine थी. Easy.
No shell without using Metasploit.
Yeah, no shell without using Metasploit, right? So, see, the point is, this is your misconfiguration in application, running applications with a lot of permissions. That is the issue here. What is the issue? The issue is Tomcat server. Whosoever configured this server, okay, gave NT authority system admin rights to the Tomcat server. Okay.
Okay.
Generally, this should not be the case. A separate user should be created, having no rights, having minimum rights, not the administrative rights. And using that user right should be given to the web server, which is to be configured here. But what happened here is Tomcat server was running with the admin rights, admin privileges. So anyone who is going to exploit the Tomcat server is going to get an admin shell. That's why when the var file got executed with the Tomcat, using the Tomcat, we got an admin shell because it was running as admin.
Yeah. Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now this was your Jelly machine, very easy machine. I would request you, all of you, except Ayush, as Ayush has already done his hands-on stuff in the session. But rest of you guys, I would request you guys to practice whatever we have done so far. That's one thing. Second thing is, I want you guys to have a working burp suit. Okay.
Hmm.
So how many of you know how to configure burp suit, or what is burp suit, everything about it?
सर पता है मेरे को कैसे कॉन्फ़िगर करते
Other
हैं.
than Ayush, then you guys have configured burp suit. It is running. It is able to intercept.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes.
Okay, Visak is also having. Ayush is also having.
थोड़ा मुश्किल था स्टार्टिंग में, पता नहीं था, लेकिन बाद में पता लगा. सर इसको खरीदना इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या बर्ब सूट को? बहुत महंगा है.
खरीद लोगे तुम?
नहीं सर, $399 का है, बहुत महंगा है.
तो बस तो फिर भूल जाओ फिर खरीदना.
बग बाउंटी करनी पड़ेगी उसके लिए अगर खरीदना है तो.
बंद कर दिया?
शेयर बंद कर रहा हूँ.
शेयर बंद कर दिया. ओके. So what I have here is I have working condition burp suit. Okay, I'm just showing you the burp suit, like that you guys should also be having burp suit configured, because for the next machine I'm going to talk about burp suit in between. I'm not going to help you guys in the configuration part. Okay, we are just going to right away start with the intercepting stuff. Close. Next. Start.
सर आपने खरीद रखा है?
Nope. It is the community edition only.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है.
Intercept is on. It is listening for 12700 loopback 8080. Google.com. Advanced. Okay. I don't think I have my certificate installed. Let's just do test. Demo.testfire.net. So the request is being intercepted here. Let's click on forward. And the website is opened here now. Okay. So this is the minimum requirement, that you are able to send some request and it is being intercepted here. Okay. Just click on intercept, click on forward, and the page is going to be loaded here. Let's just paste it here, forward, and the page is being loaded here. Okay. Because we are going to need burp suit in the next session. So if any one of you is not aware of the configuration part, you can ask me now. This is the time. Okay, so I believe everyone is comfortable with bug suit configuration. Okay, great.
सर नेक्स्ट इसमें कौन सी मशीन कर रहे हैं जिसमें बफ शॉट चाहिए?
We are going to cover Arctic.
ओके, आर्टिक।
Yeah,
हम ट्राई करके देख लेंगे सर जिनके पास है।
definitely you can give it a try. Okay. Okay, guys. So that would be all from my side for today's session. Okay. And the important thing here is that you guys need to do the hands-on stuff as well. Okay. Otherwise, you would not be able to follow along. Okay. Otherwise, it is just going to be a movie for you, or some kind of a web series show that is happening on daily basis. That's all. Okay.
ओके सर।
Okay, guys. So have a great day ahead. Take care, and we'll meet tomorrow with a new machine. Okay.
Thank
ओके
you,
सर,
sir.
थैंक यू सर,
Take care. Bye.
बाय सर।